Well, Uber has finally launched new bonuses for drivers. We are going to take a look at this, so please thumbs up the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the show. Before we jump in, want to thank our video sponsor, CarProductsUSA.com. So, CarProductsUSA.com is a place that has tons of products for drivers. So if you're a DoorDash driver, an Uber Eats driver, a Lyft driver, you need to have products for your car, like car vacuums, car fresheners to keep your car smelling good. They even have the little aroma humidifier ones. Car cleaning products, phone chargers, sponges, dash cams. Now, I wanted to say a lot of these products are cheaper than you're gonna find on Amazon and a lot of, like Best Buy or whatever, or Home Depot, because a lot of these products are directly from the manufacturer, so it cuts out the middleman. So go check out CarProductsUSA.com and you can use our referral code for an additional discount. And yeah, just go check it out, see if there's anything on there that you like. A lot of people are loving it so far. And now let's get into the update. All right, so this comes from Reddit. A user on Reddit shared this with 26 upvotes saying, damn, what happened? Drivers quit or what? Apparently, in Chicago, because this is where the O'Hare International Airport is, there's not that many drivers out there. I don't know if it's because of the dang weather. I know Chicago right now, the weather out there is pretty darn diddly bad right now. So if you go to Chicago weather, what's that? It's actually not horrible. Oh wow, it's actually not horrible. It's in the 40s and 50s, well 30s, 40s, 50, but still, I mean, come on. 10-day weather forecast in Chicago, Illinois. Flood warning. Okay, never mind. Maybe it is pretty bad. So maybe it's because of the flooding, but I'm not seeing $28 bonuses, $19 bonus, $22 bonuses, and it's like it's not even just in one area. It's like all over the place. So even if you're over here, I mean, you could still get a $17 bonus, $22 bonus. It's not like, oh, there's one way over on this other side of town. You get there and it's gone. It's like you can basically pick up any of these and still be doing good, even if you're getting the $8 bonus. Do an $8 bonus. You drop up here, did $10, $23. All of a sudden, you're making $300, $400, $500 in one single day. So somebody said snowstorm. Yup, got me a $20 carrot at MKE. Ride ended up going to Madison, 15 minutes from my home. $109 unicorn. It was the snow. I wasn't taking any longer than a mile and gave up about 10:30 because the roads were getting bad. Yeah, you probably need snow chains, I'm guessing. I don't drive in the snow. I live in sunny Southern California, but even it's actually raining outside right now. So, but yeah, let me know if you guys have been seeing these bonuses, especially if you're in one of these snowy areas. So these bonuses are pretty good in my opinion. If you have a good car, maybe like a 4-wheel drive car or a car that is good in the snow, I wouldn't be driving no 2011, Hyundai Accent that's your tires are balding. Like you're probably gonna start sliding around in there. But if you got a nice big Jeep or even a Ford Escape or a Ford Fusion, something with nice good tread and chains maybe, I would definitely consider going out here and scooping up some of these big fat money makers. So let me know your thoughts on this. Have you noticed Uber releasing these bonuses in your area? It's obviously an incentive to get more drivers on the road. Or has it been, darn diddly squat? Let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, let me also know if you like CarProductsUSA.com. And let me know if you use any of these products. Make sure you do use our referral code to get a discount at checkout. Car phone mounts, car vacuums, car fresheners, car cleaning sprays, car phone chargers, sponges, dash cams. You gotta get your dash cams, guys, so you don't get into any accidents. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.